Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to roll an iron condor. First, navigate to the Monitor tab in Thinkorswim and locate your existing iron condor position. You'll want to identify the specific iron condor that requires adjustment, perhaps due to market movement or approaching expiration. Once found, prepare to initiate the rolling process to extend its duration or adjust its strike prices for a better risk-reward profile. Next, right-click on your iron condor in the Monitor tab. From the menu, select Create Closing Order and then choose Roll. This action will automatically populate an order ticket for rolling the entire position. You can then adjust the new expiration date and modify the strike prices for both the call and put spreads to align with your updated market outlook. Before placing the order, carefully review all the details of your proposed roll. Confirm that the new strike prices and expiration date are exactly as intended. Pay close attention to the net credit or debit for the roll. You typically want to receive a credit. If needed, you can also adjust the quantity of contracts you wish to roll, perhaps rolling only a portion of your original position. Finally, once you are completely satisfied with all the parameters of your rolled iron condor, confirm that the order details are correct. Then, simply click Send to place the order for execution. After the order fills, remember to monitor your new rolled position in the Monitor tab. This easy method helps you manage your iron condors effectively in Thinkorswim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.